So, good morning everyone. Good morning, sir. Today I will show you our task 9, which is the function of RGB. So, this is the code for task 2. My ID number is 4657. It will display green at the start and red at the end. Red at the end based on here. And based on my ID number, it will show the colors. Just like here. So I will now run it and to show you. So I'm gonna run the code now, but I'm gonna reset it first because it's running. Reset. So first green as a start, then my ID number. Seven is green and last red. Then 3-second delay to loop it again. So I'm gonna try to run the procedure 3 now based on the conditions given and based on my ID number. I will try to run it now. This is the code. So na sound siya. There's completing sketch and uploading now. Ooh. Angas.
Wowza. Uy, yan siguro yung ginagamit sa Christmas lights, no? Di ba?